Hi guys, today we are looking at this compact and stylish air purifier from Provirtec. It uses 5-stage air filtration and removes up to 99.97% of harmful particles, odors and fumes from the air inside of your house or apartment. In spite of its compact size, it can purify 1000 square feet apartment in about an hour. You can also control the air purifier remotely with the app on your smartphone. Right now I'll show you how it works. The air goes through the bottom section of the device, where you see this gray fabric. It goes inside through the filter and comes out through these openings on top. To open the unit, you need to turn this bottom section counterclockwise, and inside you will see the filter. It will be wrapped in plastic, so make sure that you remove it before you start using the device. As I said before, inside this lower section you will see all these openings. This is how the air gets inside. And inside the upper section there will be the fan and the motor. The air purifier uses 5-stage filtration. The first stage of filtration will be this gray fabric. It will catch large objects like hair, pet fur, cotton lint. You can wash this lower section, but make sure that it dries completely before you reinstall it. The second stage is this nylon mesh on the filter. Similar to the fabric, it is also meant to catch cotton fluff and smaller hair. The third stage is the main filter, which you can see underneath the mesh. It deeply filters small particles like dust, smoke particles and pollen. The fourth and fifth stages of filtration are done by the HEPA filter and activated carbon filter, which can be seen from the inside. You can see all these dark spots. They will absorb smoke, odors like formaldehyde, benzene and ammonia, and they will also absorb mold. This filter can last up to a year, and you can get the new ones online. I will leave you links for both the filter and of course the air purifier itself in the description. You can also use a vacuum cleaner to clean the filter once per month. The way to do it is simply vacuum the top, and this will prolong the life of your filter. When you reinstall the filter, make sure that this end goes in first, and then we can reinstall the upper part. Align it properly and turn clockwise. Air purifier comes with a power adapter, and the length of this cable is approximately 5 feet. This end gets connected in the back of the device. On top of the device we will see all the controls. The power button turns the device on and off. First of all, I must say that its lowest fan setting, it is very quiet. You can easily sleep with this unit being on. To change the fan speed, you can slide your finger over this fan speed bar, and as you can see it changes. Right now it's at maximum 10, but you can also tap on different parts of this bar to select the desired fan speed. Again, I will set it to 1, the quietest. In the middle you will see the air quality indicator. It is shown as the amount of particulate matter in micrograms per cubic meter. PM2.5 means the fine particles that have a diameter of less than 2.5 micrometers. And by the way, the PM2.5 detection port is located on the back of the device, right here. When the PM2.5 is less than 12 micrograms per cubic meter, the environment is considered to be completely healthy with little to no risk from exposure. If it's over 35, the air can cause issues for people with asthma, for example. In general, the lower this number, the better the air quality will be in your house. I think it's a great idea to have this indicator. This will allow you to monitor the air quality. Besides that, underneath you will also see the LED, which will change if the air quality changes. Right now it's blue. This means that the air is very good. It can also be green, orange and red. The manual that comes with the device will give us values for all these colors. Blue is from 0 to 35, green is from 36 to 75, orange is from 76 to 115, and red will be over 116 micrograms per cubic meter. To give you an idea how high this number can get, during forest fires, for example, it can go over 120 micrograms per cubic meter. Alright, this explains the number on the display. Now we'll keep going over the controls. The next button that we have here is a timer. You can set it between 1 and 12 hours. So if I set it to 12, for example, the device will shut off automatically in 12 hours. Pretty straightforward. You can set it back to 0. Now it will keep working all the time. Next we have the automatic mode. In after mode, the air purifier will automatically adjust the fan speed based on the air quality. If the air quality is bad, the fan speed will be higher, and if the air quality is good, it will automatically switch to lower settings. I'll show you guys what I mean. So I'll set it to, well, we are in automatic mode right now, so let's set it to 10. So now I'm in manual mode, I set it to 10, I will press automatic mode, and look what happens, guys. It will automatically reduce the fan speed because right now we have very good air quality. The next is the sleep mode. In the sleep mode, the air purifier will set itself to the lowest fan speed. So for example, I will set it to, let's say, 6. You can hear that our fan is working. So now I will enable the sleep mode. I'll press the button, and as you can see, it will set itself to a lower fan speed. Besides that, the display will turn off, and also, guys, the LED indicator will be off as well. This mode is great when you sleep for the night. To get out of this mode, you need to tap the sleep mode button twice. And as you can see, it goes back to fan speed 6 now. I'll set it to 1 again. The next button is the child lock. It allows to block the controls of the air purifier. To make it work, press and hold this button for a couple of seconds, and you guys will see this red lock on the display. And now, no matter how many times you press any of these buttons, none of them will work. To get out of this mode, press and hold this button again, and the red lock disappears. Now we can use our air purifier again in regular mode. The last button is the filter reset button. The air purifier will automatically figure out when it is time to replace the filter. Once the filter life is less than 10%, you will see the red filter icon on the screen, again in this area. Once you replace the filter, you will need to press this button for 3 seconds to reset the filter life, and the filter icon will disappear as well. Another cool feature of this air purifier is that you can control it remotely. For that, you have to go to the Play Store and look for Provirtec application. Install it on your smartphone and open the application. You will need to create the account. We will need to pair the air purifier with our smartphone. For this, you need to make sure that the power is on, and then press and hold the power button for about 3 seconds. You guys will hear a beep, and will also see this flashing Wi-Fi icon. In the application, we will need to add new device. You will need to allow the application to use your location. And you will also need to allow nearby devices. For this you have to go to permissions and look for nearby devices and say allow. Go back, and now it will show us some of the devices nearby. This is not our device, we are looking for home appliance, and as you can see here is our ClearBreathe Smart Air Purifier. Press on it. You can either use Wi-Fi or Bluetooth to connect. The device will use Bluetooth, and as you can see right here it has found our air purifier, and shortly it will connect with the device. I'll say finish, and this is our air purifier. And now guys, you'll be able to control it remotely. I'll show you guys right away. Speed level, look at this. I'll change it all the way to 100%, and it starts working at 100%. I will turn it off, it turns off. Very cool. Also guys, you can set the speed level to 1 to 10%. You can also select the automatic mode. From here you can select the, I'll show you sleep mode. Look at this, sleep. The LEDs are off and the display is off. What else can we do here guys? We can use the child lock as well, and you can also enable the sound. So now every time you I have to disable the child lock. Now every time you press the buttons, now you will hear the sound as well, which you can again turn off from the application. We'll set it to manual, and basically this is the same controls and settings that we showed you guys before on the device itself, but this can be done remotely from the application. If you have your unit located at in a different room, for example, you can control it remotely using this application. Our review of this air purifier is complete. I love the fact that it is compact and quite powerful at the same time. It will make sure that air inside your apartment is clean and healthy. The remote control is a great addition as well. If you like this unit, I will leave you guys the link in the description. Check it out. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.